If you've ever walked out to your truck after a blizzard only to find your bed filled with 300 pounds of heavy, wet slush, or worse, your gear frozen into a solid block of ice, you know that not all tonneau covers are built for the tundra. Most covers look great in the summer, but the second the mercury drops, the vinyl cracks, the latches freeze solid, and the frames buckle under the weight. You need a cover that doesn't just hide your cargo, but actually armor plates it against the worst winter has to offer. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Maxmate soft roll-up truck bed cover. The Maxmate soft roll-up is built specifically for the modern Ram 1500 owner who needs a solid barrier against the elements without dropping a 4-figure check. This is what we call a working man's cover. No unnecessary fluff, just pure function. What makes the Maxmate stand out in the softcover category is its horizontal crossbars. Think of these as the ribs of the cover. When the snow starts piling up, these bars provide the internal support needed to keep the heavy-duty vinyl from bowing or stretching into your cargo area. It also features a manual adjustable tension system. This is a lifesaver in winter because vinyl naturally contracts when it gets cold. With the Maxmate, you can tighten the cover back up to keep it drum tight, ensuring that snow slides right off the back instead of pooling in a saggy middle section. While the Maxmate is a champion at shedding water and snow, we have to talk about the con. Because it's a soft roll-up, it offers very little in the way of theft protection. A determined thief with a utility knife can get through this in about 10 seconds. It's built to beat the weather, not a career criminal. If you park in a garage or a secure area and your main enemy is the snowpocalypse, this is an unbeatable value. You can find the link for this specific Ram fitment in the description box below. Coming in at number 4 is the Tyger Auto T1 truck bed tonneau cover. Now, if you're rocking the new body-style Ram 1500 with that 5-foot 7-inch bed, this thing was basically built for you. Tyger is an absolute beast in the truck world, especially on Amazon, for one big reason. Their quality control is just dead on. The T1 is a low-pro design, meaning it sits almost flush with your bed rails. In the winter, that's a massive win because it reduces the drag when you're battling those 50-mile-an-hour head-on blizzards. The T1 is rocking a dual-coated 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl. Think about that for a second. If this material is tough enough to handle the salt and ice of the North Atlantic, it's definitely going to handle the slush on the I-95. The vinyl stays supple, not stiff, even when the mercury drops below zero. But the real secret sauce here is the powder-coated hardware. If you live in the Rust Belt, where they pickle the roads with that nasty liquid brine, you know raw aluminum gets eaten alive. Tyger's coating acts like a shield for your rails and clamps. Here is the one con you've got to keep in mind: the Velcro. In a serious ice storm or a flash freeze, those Velcro side tracks can get filled with slush and freeze solid. If you roll it up to haul some firewood and then try to seal it back down, you might have to spend a minute thumping the ice out of the tracks to get it to lay perfectly flat. It's a minor annoyance, but honestly, for a cover that stays this flexible and keeps your bed this dry, it's a trade-off most guys are happy to make. If you want that sleek, low-profile look without the hardcover price tag, the T1 is your move. Check the link in the description box below to see the current deals and make sure you're grabbing the right fit for your year and bed size. Number 3. Gator soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover. If you're rocking the longer 6-foot 4-inch bed on your Ram, you know that finding a cover that doesn't sag over that extra length is a challenge. That's where the Gator soft roll-up comes in. Gator is a legendary name among truck enthusiasts, especially in the Midwest, because they build gear meant to be used, not just looked at. This model includes a gadget feature that is a total win for anyone who actually uses their truck for winter chores: the integrated gear straps. When you need to haul big stuff like a snowmobile, a snowblower, or a fresh stack of firewood, you roll this cover all the way to the cab. The gear straps allow you to buckle it down securely in a matter of seconds. In a freezing wind, you don't want to be fumbling with complicated clips or tiny plastic bits. These are heavy-duty and designed to be operated even when you're wearing thick winter gloves. The only con here is the result of that extra length. Because this is a 6'4" cover, it is slightly more prone to wind flapping on the highway if the tension isn't dialed in perfectly. You'll want to give the adjustment bolts a quick turn once a month during the winter to make sure it stays tight. It's a minor maintenance step for a cover that stays this flexible and keeps your bed this dry. It's a trade-off most guys are happy to make. If you want that sleek, low-profile look without the hardcover price tag, the Gator is your move. Check the link in the description box below for the specific fitment for the new body style Rams. Number 2. RealTruck BAKFlip MX4 truck bed tonneau cover. Now we are moving into the heavy hitters. The BAKFlip MX4 is widely considered the gold standard of folding covers across every major truck form. If you've got a Silverado or Sierra with the Multi-Pro or Flex tailgate, this is the cover you want. Most covers interfere with the inner gate operation of those fancy tailgates. The MX4 was actually engineered to work with them. We are firmly in hard-shell territory now. The MX4 features heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum panels that are rated to support up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed snow. For high snow regions like Buffalo, the Upper Peninsula, or the Rockies, this is the structural protection you need. The premium matte finish doesn't just look pro, it is specially formulated to resist UV damage and the chalking effect that turns cheaper plastic covers gray and ugly after one season of salt and sun. The con for the MX4 is obviously the price tag. This is a significant investment compared to the soft covers we've discussed. You're definitely in a buy once, cry once scenario here. However, it provides genuine security for your tools and the ability to handle a massive snow load without even flinching. If you want the absolute best for your Silverado, check the Multi-Pro compatible link in the description. Taking the number 1 spot is the Tyger Auto T3 truck bed tonneau cover. Now, you might be wondering why a soft cover beat the hard-shell MX4 for the top spot. The answer is simple: practical versatility. The T3 is the most real-world choice for the average truck owner who wants elite snow protection without the $1,000 price tag. Because it is a trifold rather than a roll-up, it has a much more rigid internal frame. The panels are pre-assembled, meaning the 24-ounce vinyl is already stretched to the perfect tension across an aluminum skeleton. This creates a flat, stable surface that snow just sits on without sagging. Installation is a total joke. You can literally have this on your truck in 10 minutes with zero tools. And the weather stripping? It's some of the thickest in the industry. It creates a literal dry zone in your bed, even when you're driving through a highway blizzard. The only real con to the T3 is that when it's folded up, it sits on top of your bed rails. You don't get that 100% bed access like a roll-up unless you remove the cover entirely. But since it only takes about 2 minutes to pop the quick-release clamps and lift it off, it's hardly a deal-breaker. It's the highest-rated cover on Amazon for a reason. It just works when you need it most. Choosing the right cover really comes down to where you live and how much snow you're actually shoveling off your roof. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.